Okay, here's a question about solving a trig equation when we also have a double angle. You see here we've got 2x and x. That's the problem. We need to only have just x or just 2x. And also a problem is we've got cos and we've got sine. We need to have just cos or just sine. The way we can get around that is by using the double angle formulas. The double angle formulas are these. Cos 2x equals cos squared x minus sine squared x. But because sine squared is 1 minus cos squared, we can also say that's 2 cos squared x minus 1. Or because sine squared, cos squared is 1 minus sine squared, we can say that's 1 minus 2 sine squared x. So we're going to use one of these formulas in order to solve this. Right, so I'm going to use cos 2x is 1 minus 2 sine squared x. Why am I going to do that? Because I just want to get an equation that just has sine x in it. So I'm going to write, instead of cos 2x here, I'm going to write 1 minus 2 sine squared x minus 4 sine squared x plus 2 equals 0. Yeah, all I've done is I replaced this here with this here. And it's all the same. Okay, so next step is collect our like terms here. 1 plus 2 is 3. That was the hard part. Okay, and then minus 2 minus 4 is minus 6. Sine squared x equals 0. If we take 3 away from both sides, we got negative 6 squared x equals negative 3. So sine squared x equals negative 3 over negative 6, which is of course a half. Okay, so here's the really important bit. Sine x is therefore going to be the square root of a half, right? Not really, it's going to be plus or minus square root of a half. Or we could rewrite that much neater as plus or minus 1 over square root of 2. Okay, so we've solved for sine x. Is that the answer? No, the question says solve for x. So I got to think about this. In my unit circle, and because we're going from 0 to 360 degrees, when do I see this 1 over root 2? When does sine x equal 1 over root 2? Well, you'll remember this thing here, that sine of 45 is, well, cos of 45 is 1 over root 2, and sine of 45 is 1 over root 2. So one of the numbers, so x could be 45 degrees. But we're going all the way from 0 to 360. At this angle, we've also got the coordinates, the y value here is also 1 over root 2. So that is, of course, 135 degrees. So that's 2 times that's equal to 1 over root 2. But here and here, it's also equal to negative 1 over root 2. So these two angles here also could be possible values of x. So they are, of course, 180 plus 45, 225, and 45 less than 360, so that's 315 degrees. So we've got 4 answers to this question, 4 solutions. You could pop them back in and see if they work to give you give you your answer. We can do 45 really quick. Cos of 2 times 45 is 90, cos of 90 is 0. Sine of 45 is 1 over root 2, 1 over square root of 2. So, yep, square that, you get a half. Minus 4 times half is minus 2, minus 2 plus 2 is 0. Hey, it works. So I know I've got at least one right answer, and I'm done. Why is that volume doing that? And there's your answers. We'll see you later.